vid pianot så ser ni Hanna Andersson. Och jag själv heter Josefin och vi ska framföra en två låtar för er.
Takes another step. Slowly she opens the door. Check that he is sleeping. Pick up all the broken glass and furniture on the floor. Been up half the night screaming. Now it's time to get away. Pack up the kids in their car. Another proves to try and hide, another alibi lie, another ditch in the road, you keep moving, another stop sign, you keep moving on, and the years go by so fast, wonder how I ever made it through. Children to think of, babies asleep in the car. Wonder how they'll ever make it through this living nightmare. But the mind is an amazing thing, full of candy dreams and new toys and enough she will tell. 2 beds and a coffee machine, but there are groceries to